What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about Cciv. So if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. If you found this video interesting or found it enjoyable or whatever reasons why you would want to subscribe, I do all sorts of videos such as portfolio updates once a week, showing you my portfolio obviously, whether it's bad or good. And I also do videos like this and Palantir and all sorts of different stocks. So for all my returning subscribers, I haven't done a video on Cciv for a while. The reason for that is because obviously there's not a whole load of news at the moment. It's now just a case of let's get these deliveries out, and also for the merge to officially happen with the ticker symbol changing and all sorts, which I will tell you when that ticker symbol will be changing and all sorts of things in this video. But anyway, let's talk about Cciv a bit more. So I'm going to be super transparent because I know a lot of YouTubers, some just don't do this, and I know a lot of you guys do like seeing how my holdings are doing, especially with the topic I'm talking about, which is Cciv. And as you can see, I'm down at the moment in my position, got an average price of $28 a share. I'm not worried with this at all because, like I said, this is a long-term hold for me, and I know a lot of you guys did get into this because of the hype behind it, and obviously we had not a very good valuation, so the stock did drop quite dramatically. But this is the thing, I'm not worried whatsoever. I am starting to think of buying a few more shares at this price, but I'm holding off a bit just in case it does go a bit lower, because as I said, there's not a lot of catalysts that can drive this stock up at the moment, apart from these little rumours that I will get into as well. So this is a little video I want to share with you. It's Peter Rowlinson talking on air, showing and telling you how good the technology is that they have. And obviously you could be making all this up, but I generally do obviously believe him. I believe in Lucid Motors in general. So I'm going to play you a little clip of him explaining the technology.
The great news is that Lucid's a tech company, and we're bringing the world's best technology to the market this year here in the US. And I think that the valuation is a reflection of our technology. I think that that has been validated and endorsed. I'm very confident we've got world-class tech. What we need to do now is humbly and diligently execute and get this into production, and that is what will truly drive the value.
So this is the thing, it's not just a car company, it's got a huge amount of tech involved. It's very, very, very clever, the tech they've got, and it's way beyond a lot of these EV companies. And that's where he's pretty much saying that he can compete with Tesla because of how good the technology is. I'm not obviously saying, I'm not attacking Tesla, so if any of you are Tesla investors, I do really like Tesla as well. It's just I'm saying, like, this is got some huge potential. So it's really good now. We've got some more positive news with Cciv. Now institutions are holding this. There's a 61% institutional ownership, which is a lot. 61% is a lot now, and that means a lot of the smart money, as you call them, are parking their cash into this company because they believe that this could be potentially really, really exciting and really good in the future. And that's the other thing I want to stress to everyone. This is probably going to be a bit of a long-term play, but I'm not worried about that. Are you guys worried about that? Are you willing to wait the long-term game with this? Because like I said, we've got to wait for these deliveries as well, which will be later on in this year. We've also had a lot of rumors, and I'm not going to go massively into detail with it, but and you probably know about this, is there's rumors about them partnering up with Apple, and that's very interesting to know. And I'm going to play you this little video of Peter Rowlinson trying to keep a poker face. Well, he's probably not even keeping a poker face, like, he's not, to be honest. He was kind of hinting something, and people were taking this as a partnership with Apple, so I'll play it right now.
There's a compelling argument for partnership. This is a pragmatist in me. Let's create the very best EV technology in the world, and I believe Lucid's got that. But I think I'm up for a partnership in terms of software. We've got the best car, we have the best hardware suite, we've got all this connected with an Ethernet gigabit ring, super connected car, 2 terabytes of data onboard storage, super cloud connectivity. This is the perfect platform for any Silicon Valley big company to prove out its AD software, I think.
Now, was this all developed in-house?
So what do you guys think of that video? People are really thinking this could be some sort of partnership with Apple because of what he was saying. and the raise of the eyebrows was the big thing that he did. So yeah, I'm obviously not going to say much. It's a bit hard to say. There's a lot of people that used to work for Apple. They've also got Johnny Ive on the board at Churchill Capital. So yeah, there's a lot of connections with Apple, and who knows. So as you can see on the screen right now, the merge could officially be expected on the 30th of June. So the ticker symbol will change on the 30th of June, which is very exciting, and that's probably one of the catalysts that could really drive the stock up, to be honest with you, and create some more hype around it. But apart from that, that's that, and like I said, it will be just down to deliveries and seeing how well they react with it all. So with CCIV, where do I think this stock will be? Well, to be honest with you, because of the fact that it's an American EV company as well, and because of the type of things that we are hearing, and also the board of directors and all sorts, and the technology they've got behind it, I generally think this will be a $100 stock within the next 2 years. I really do believe that. And for some of you guys, you might be very disappointed with that price target, and some people believe it could be a $300 stock, but you got to calm down and look at the realistic kind of price targets. And I generally think it will be a $100 stock within 2 years. It could end of year be a $100 stock. You don't know, especially the way the markets are at the moment. But yeah, $100 would be like an awesome price target for the next 2 years. Short term though, it's hard to say. I did draw a little trend line and it broke the trend line, but on the RSI and the MACD, it does show that we are oversold. But then the other thing is, you got to bear in mind, a lot of that was because of how much it went up previously with all the hype. So it's really hard to gauge what's going to be happening with the CCIV price. It'd be interesting to see if it hits the 200-day moving average. That could be the support line for this stock. So we're looking around the $24 mark. That could be where it could be bottoming out. For the 19th of March, I do want to share this with you on the option chain, because this is for 19th of March. There's a lot of open interest for the 35.40 and the 45 strike price. Even the 50 strike price, that is a huge open interest. So there's nearly 31,000 contracts in people's brokerage accounts for the $50 strike price. If it got to that, that'd be mad. But this is for the 19th of March. That's $896,000 worth of people betting on the price going to 50. So it's just interesting. I thought I'd share that with you so you can gather your thoughts and think what you think of that. But yeah, I thought I'd share that with you. Before I end off this video, I thought I'd share you this funny meme that I actually found, and it might cheer you guys up a little because it did make me laugh a little. But anyway, that was it for my video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Let's try and hit 60 likes on this video. That'd be crazy if we can, and comment below if you've got any questions at all. And yeah, see you guys in my next video.